Dear amazing students, I wanted to let you know that today is my last official day as an ESOL teacher here at Churchill. My replacement will be a very amazing and caring teacher with many years of experience in teaching all populations of students. She is going to be starting tomorrow, Friday, November 20th, and will be the primary contact for all your grades and concerns after today. Her name is Mrs. Donna Garcia. She is moving from just up the hall in C104. She taught English 1. Her email address is listed here in the letter, and you can also call or text her on Google Voice. I have made Ms. Garcia a co-teacher on all of my Google Classroom formats, and she will be able to see what work you have already done and anything that you are missing. I will be putting grades in based on work completed through today. Ms. Garcia will be putting Zoom links on my stream after today for those of you who still are logging in remotely. So my Zoomies, you will still be able to log in and she will post those links on my stream. So Google Classroom will stay the same. It has been beautiful being the teacher of such hardworking and respectful students. Even with this crazy COVID school year, you all have remained positive and happy and have warmed my heart. I will miss every single one of you. You will do amazing things with your lives because that's just the kind of beautiful humans that you all are. I know Miss Garcia will love you all, and you all will be in the best of hands with her. Sincerely, Mrs. Jacobs. This is my email address. If you have any questions or concerns or need anything that I may be able to help you with, please contact me. My email is senorajacobs2020@gmail.com, and it's just an N, not the Enya. Okay? Have a great holiday season. Have a great rest of the school year. Goodbye.